This is the easiest and fastest way to enhance your images using Nano Banana and Kittl. Occasionally you might get a photo that's too low resolution, or maybe a client is sending you some artwork or a logo that's just way too low res. And I'm gonna show you how to fix it 2 different ways in Kittl. Now, if you don't have Kittl and you're new here, you can sign up using the link below for free and actually follow along with what I'm doing in the video. So here are a few examples that I've prepared where I took a photo that was a little bit lower res and I enhanced it. Now you can see if I zoom in on this picture of a parrot, which, full disclosure, I just grabbed from the internet. I typed in parrot on Google, same thing for this owl that we're going to do together. And I just pasted it in here. And then I said, man, it's just a little difficult to see. If I zoom in, I can't really see the feathers very well. It's just blurry and it's getting kind of fadey and not good. So what I did was I attached a smartboard, which if I hover over this plus, I can do it. Or if I hit add smartboard, it will add this smartboard right here. And then you can see here, enhance the photo of this bird to be super crisp 4K. That's all I prompted in. I didn't give it any other extra instructions. I made sure that it matched the output. And then you can see right here, Nano Banana Pro 4K. We also have other models that you can choose from if you think they're better. I think Nano Banana Pro 4K, especially for imagery, is really great. And then I hit generate, and look at how crisp this is. You can just see the side by side here, already a vast difference. If I zoom in, the eye retains its quality. I can see the fur, or the feathers rather, of this parrot really, really nicely, even down to the talons, and the wood looks a lot better, as well as these feathers towards the bottom. Now, I'm going to show you how I did that in case you're not sure. I'm just going to grab this artboard tool here, and I'm going to draw out an artboard. And then I'm going to drag this image of this owl. Again, I just typed in owl on Google, found one that was a little bit low res for the purpose of this demonstration. And the way that I did it was, again, I'm going to hit this plus, boom, there goes our smartboard. And then I'm just going to grab this prompt. I'm going to copy it. You can copy with Command or Control C. Grab this smartboard, paste that in, and then I'm going to say owl to be super crisp 4K resolution on Nano Banana Pro. Generate. I'm going to give that a little bit of time. We're going to come back and check because it does take a little time to get there. And what we're going to do is look at a different method. So you can see here, there is an image that's not necessarily low res, not necessarily grainy or anything, but it does have this glass fracture on it, an effect that's really cool, but maybe I don't necessarily want all of the time. So a different method I used was hitting the remix tool. So if I hit remix image with AI, it's going to open up this panel right here. This is just the last prompt I had in here. And then you can see over here on the right, the result. Every time I click on an image that's been generated in Kittl, whether you made it or you grabbed it from a template or you grabbed it from the AI library, if you click it in the right top area, you're going to find this prompt memory area, where if you see closely, you can either copy or recreate this. I'm going to hit recreate, and it's going to populate back in, and it says enhance this photo so that it is clear and the glass fracture effect is no longer there, so that the subject is clearly visible. And so that's exactly what I did. I hit generate, and then boom, after about a minute, it gave me this really nice clear image without the glass effect. And then I took it a step further and said, what if we remix it again? Because I noticed there's no earring on this ear. And so I just typed in here, add the same earring to the left ear as is the opposite ear. And then look at this, kept the image the exact same all the way through, just added the earring on the other side, which I know is not necessarily enhancing depending on how you look at it, but you could also edit your images with Nano Banana in Kittl. Super, super strong. All right, and so we're come back to our owl here, and so already side by side, you can tell that the eyes are vibrant, much more vibrant yellow, and the tuft and the feathers are a lot more clearly visible, as well as the individual blades of the dead grass here. So if I zoom in here, you're already going to see a massive difference between the left and right. Here, it's quite messy, grainy, blurry, and I scroll over, look how nice and vivid it is. So that is a very easy way to enhance your grainy, pixelated, messed up images using Nano Banana Pro, specifically 4K, to kind of bring them back to life. Again, using that remix feature. Now, here's a few other examples. These are 2 shots that I took while I was filming with some friends. We were using some old cinematic lenses mixed with a new camera to see what kind of effects would come out. Now, cinematography wise is very cool, and I liked some of these stills, so I just kind of exported a frame. But as you can see, if I zoom in here, it's grainy, especially if I zoom in close. I mean, everything kind of becomes incomprehensible. Same thing for this. And I just used that remix feature. Same thing. I selected this, I hit remix, and then, yeah, just enhance this photo so that it is clear 4K, and boom, you can see here, it did generate the blades of like wheat and grass. It kind of picked up some on the background, and that is pretty close to the area that I was in. I could keep going, I could remix it, I could say, you know, get rid of I could remix it again, and I could say, remove the wheat in the background or something like that, and get a different image. But even here, you can see, same thing, remix. Let's see, what did I use? Recreate. Enhance this photo so that it is clear 4K resolution, ensuring that all the colors are legible and rich. And you can see here, even the green of the trees in the background has come back. Even the marble design in my buttons, the chain is gold, the hat is much more vibrant brown, sky is a little bit more blue instead of blown out gray. I mean, this is such a cool way to enhance your photos using Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana Pro 4K, along with Kittl and the different features that are in Kittl to just make better images, make better graphics. So you let me know in the comments what you think of this, if you've been using it already or if you're going to be using it. I'd love to know how and what you're using it for, whether or not you're trying to revive, you know, old grainy logo files that maybe a JPEG or a Word document a client sent you, or if you actually have some cool retro older photos that you're just trying to enhance, get a little bit smoother, add some color to them, because you can also take black and white photos and turn them into color. So you let me know all of that down in the comments. Don't forget to check out some of the other videos we've done already, including the remix tool. The AI styles feature is incredibly powerful, mixed with all of the different AI models we have in Kittl. I know you're going to enjoy those as well. And of course, let us know what else you want to see down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss more videos just like this, and we will see you in the next video.